Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and get Delta Executor key. It is a pretty quick and easy method, so without waste your time, let's get started. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. The first step is go to your Chrome browser, open the new tab and search Delta Executor APK. Click the first one. Then you see, click the Android. Scroll down. And click the download button. Then again scroll down. Click download. You see the Delta Executor key downloaded. It takes some time. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.